What's going on, everybody? So another trade recap for the day. Green day for me. You can see here. Could have been a little bit better though, and I'll show you where and why. So heading into the open, we had CPI this morning. Came out pretty bullish, got a strong reaction from it. But on the open, you see we had this uptrend structure. See down candle up, maintain these higher lows, and on the open, this was our higher low point here. See down candle and up candle. This was our higher low structure point. Got this 5-minute close below it, broke that bullish structure, and as we did this, we created a nice downside fair value gap right here. Got this move back into it, took my entry right here, pretty much right at this top of this candle when this 5-minute candle closed, trimmed on the way down, and took my final trim, right around here. Right when we broke this 596, took my trim off here. And this is the point where it could have been a little bit better because I really didn't have a reason to. My next price target after I trimmed on this initial push and then into the new low a day, and my last piece I was mainly targeting this pre-market low, and I really didn't have a reason to trim before here. And what happened is got caught looking at the money, got a little bit too impatient with this move and took it off here, and literally about minute or two later, got a huge move down, probably would have doubled the trade. And another thing worth mentioning, that same price target I had was this Q's low here. And we got actually a pretty strong bounce off of this zone right here, and I'll show where I got that from. So this zone here was just this previous big bounce point, and you can kind of see if you just take off all the stuff I have on there, what does this look like on just a raw clean chart? Balance. So when you get balanced action like this, typically fading the extremes is where I've seen the best R to R personally. So all that means is at the bottom of the range looking to get calls or longs, at the top of the range looking to short or get puts. So that's why ideally that was a good price target for me. It was just that extreme, that low extreme of the balance range, and hit it to a T. I just got out a little bit early, secured profits early. So still a good trade, but just not the greatest execution on that last runner. Idea was solid. We've kind of just moved up higher since that, but that's going to be it for today. A little bit of a shorter one today, but appreciate you guys all for coming. See you in the next one. Peace.